Good morning everyone. Myself is Vimal Justin, lecturer of Vimal Aug College of Pharmacy. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter which is known as volumetric analysis. In last chapter we had discussed about the volumetric analysis slightly and briefly. Now we have to know about what are the terms we have to know. Let's discuss about this step by step. First of all, titrate. What is titrate? The substance to be analyzed is called titrate. Once again I repeating, what is titrate, which means the substance to be analyzed is called titrate. Now, what is titrant? The reagent of known concentration which is added to the solution of the substance to be analyzed is called titrant. Then, what is titration curve? A plot of solution pH versus titrant volume during a titration. Now, what is titration? The process of finding out the volume of the titrant required to react completely with a known volume of solution under analysis is known as titration. Now, indicator. This indicator why using is indicator is referred as the end point of the titration. Let's discuss about the indicator. Auxiliary agents used to determine the end point of titration. A species added to the analyte to give an observable change at or near the end point. Now we have to know about the end point. The end point is also known as equivalent point. The point where the reaction gets complete. The end point is the point where the system changes when the moles of the reacting titrant exceed the moles of the substance being titrated. Next, standard solution. It is a solution of definite concentration or of known strength, which means the strength of the solution is already known. Now, standardization. It is a process whereby the concentration of a solution is determined by the known concentration of solution. In this, how the concentration of solution is determined was by the known concentration of the solution. Then, what is titration error? It is the smallest difference between equivalence point and end point. The difference is because an indicator always produces the visual change either a little before or after the equivalence point. Now we should have to know about the methods to determine the end point. First of all, pH indicator. This is a substance which shows the chemical change by changing the color. Second one is a potentiometer. This is used to measure the electrode potential of the solution. These are used for redox titration. They show the end point with the changing potential of the working electrode. Next, pH meter. It is an ion selective electrode. In pH meter, the potential of electrode depends on the amount of H plus ion present in the solution. The pH of the solution can be measured in the whole titration. Next, conductance. The conductivity of solutions is also changed in titration and it depends on the ions present in the solution, mobility of ions and ions concentration. Next, color change. In the redox reaction, the color of solution changes without use of indicator. This is due to different oxidation states of the product. Why this color change occurs means this is due to the different oxidation states of the product. Thank you viewers for watching this video. Keep stay with us to get lot of knowledge about pharmacy and its allied subjects.